Alright, so let's test. Everything is ready now, so let's do some basic testing. First, let's power. So the transformer is producing some human sound. So right now it's not connected to load. So first thing we are going to check is the DC supply to the board, how many volt. Then we check the DC offset. Now testing the transistors, they remain cool without load. Yeah, remain cool. Okay, so let me test the DC supply. Okay, so here is my ground. This right hand side I think is positive, so this is 44 volt, this DC. So the left hand side is minus 44 volt also. Okay, now let's check out the DC offset. That's DC voltage going to the speaker. Here it is, so 0 volt. Okay, so to be sure that the measurement is taking place, let me measure the voltage across the diode. Okay, that is 0.06. all right, so at the output there's 0 volt, no DC voltage, everything still remain cool. All right, so let me connect to the load and see. So I'm going to use two speakers in series to increase the impedance of the speaker. So this subwoofer in this home theater, the speaker, then this one. So I'll connect them in series. Okay. All right. So let me connect to this. Okay. So before I play anything, let me reduce the volume to the lowest one. Okay, 0. Then I'll play something. Then I'll increase the volume gradually. So because there's no heat-sink, I'm not going to increase the volume much. So they're moderate. So stay under control. So not getting too hot. So let me increase the volume again. Still cold, so let me increase a bit more.